Right, on this clip, I'm on the M6 motorway, heading northbound, and this car to the right he must have been doing a ton, he or she. No need for it at all. My speedometer on the bottom of the dash cam, it says 68 mile an hour, but it's about 2 mile an hour because I'm doing 70 mile an hour. It's in cruise control, and they must have been doing a ton, and not just that, also massive lane hogging in the middle as well. I mean, why is 70 mile an hour not quick enough for you? But neither one of those accidents on the motorway. Just anyway, have a look and judge for yourself. Yeah. Now I'm doing 70, and that driver's left me standing still. And what lane's he in?
Middle.
Exactly. Exactamundo.
The middle lane hogger.